what's good? Yo, what's good? Mr. Cozmik Training Academy. What's going on today? Thursday, December 7th, 2023. So, coming into the day, as you can see, it went down over the night before. Let me see what we got here. Let's pull out some brushes, pull out some work here. Let's get this work. Okay, so as you can see today, we up $100. You can see over the night it had dropped down, so it looked real bad. A lot of people gonna panic, put in thing, but remember we selling options, man. So thing is, don't forget time decay. So as soon as the market opened up, what happened? Time decay was in my favor as soon as the market opened up. So that's what it did. You know what I mean? So back up to $100. I just sold some SPY. Try to get out. I just sold. What did I sell? So Amazon. I sold Amazon. I got out of Amazon. As you can see, $5 per unit, 5 cents per unit right here. You know what I mean? And so, and average price or the open. Let's see, here it is right here at 7. So basically, I did 10 contracts times $2 each, because 7 minus 5 equals 2. Times 10 contracts, as you can see where it says right here, 10 Amazon puts credit spreads. So 10 times 2 is $20. That's $20 come up one day, 24 hours, man. That's the come up right there. You can see right here where it's sold right there at $5. Your order to close. At first I wasn't, but I did. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't finna give nobody no money back. So it's just $2. A lot of people be like, we picking up bags today, man. We picking up bags today. Yesterday we was at 60-20. We had 6,000. 60. Like I said, man, it's all about picking up the 10s and 20s, man. If you too good for the 10s and 20s, man, this ain't the game for you. Because, like, to me, this is what we do. You know, we pick up a bag every single day. So, another example. Let's go down. Okay, look at Tesla trying to get away. See that? So, we going to always monitor. When we see stuff like this happening right here, we always monitor that. First, number one, make sure we got a sell order in, which we do. You can see it right here. I'm selling it at $3. Yep. I got the sell order in. That don't mean it's going to go through, though, but I can tell you right now from this platform, man, if we was on another platform, as soon as it hit the number, it closed. But with this platform, I'm not going to say what I think, but I can tell you that the asking price a lot of times won't go through, even if you already got the trade in. So, you discern yourself, so what it is. And then sometimes you have to put higher than you really should have to sell it for. I mean, you have to buy it back for higher than you normally should have to. So, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. We're not gonna let that stop us. But if it get to the point where we can't get no money out of it, we move to another platform that really want to stop, don't want to be greedy. But anyway, so far we still doing what we're doing. So Tesla, we already got trades in, but I'm under the impression, I'm watching it, it looked like it's trying to go higher. So the question is, what is Tesla doing? So first of all, let's go look at Tesla and see what he got going on. Tesla. Then what we'll do is look at Tesla's price. Now remember, we always hoping that Tesla is going to go up, because right now I'm doing put credit spreads. What does that mean? When you put it down. It's just like a telephone. Like I always say, you put it down. So you want to make a phone call, you pick it up, right? If you want to hang up, you want to put the phone down. So put is down, call is up. That's how you remember it. Just remember it like a phone. So anyway, all right. So now look at Tesla. Tesla's going up. 238. It's pretty far. I mean, we got them puts at $10 below what it is right now. So I ain't really nervous about it, to be honest with you. To be quite honest with you, how the return is down so low is probably because my average credit that I should have got for it, I took it too low. I took it at too cheap of a price. I really should have got more. Because this is what it is right now. And the reality is when you look at this, look at where Tesla, what this put is between 27 and 25, and look at what Tesla's price is, 237. Hold $10 away. Now Tesla is very volatile, so that's why it's money to be made. Look at this; it's going up and up and up. See, and when I start seeing things like this going on, it's time I got to really watch that closely, because 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times quantity is 4. That's $28, right? And right now we at negative 44. You asking how? How we at negative 44? Because we got 28 for it at first, but the market value is 80. So if you just do 80 minus 28, what we got, 7, it put us at 52. And look at the price. You can see the price was there it is, 52. See? So it's fluctuating. So this is no good. This is no good at all. So we gotta get out of here. And this is a prime example. You don't win every trade. Now you can hang in here and you can find out what's gonna happen. Personally, this is expiring tomorrow. So it's Tesla has to really fall hard. And to me, I don't even see it moving. This is what's crazy to me. It's not even moving. It's still at 237, and they talking about 48. I'm not gonna let them shake me. As long as Tesla's price ain't moving down to meet that 227 price range. If I see this start to drop down to 230 or something like that, oh yeah. But see, they gotta beat the clock. And for me right now, the clock is on my side when you're selling all the time. Just remember that. That's the beauty. The clock is always on your side when you're selling. And that's why I try to keep the time clock close. Because that means they got to really get in and get out really fast. So I'm not even shaking. 44. You see, it's basically what I take from this is I got an average credit of too low of a price. I jumped in at a price just trying to get some, and it just wasn't I took it trying to get a trade, and I just believe I took a price that was just I undercut myself too much. I should have got way more for that. And that's a prime example of how much I should have got. I should have at least gotten 10 or 12 for that. At least. And right now current price 18, and it's holding. But we'll see as every hour pass through this day, that price gotta drop on Tesla. And if it don't, but again, as a trader, always know when you're getting out. For me, to be honest with you, for me, I would have gotten out at a negative 30. But because I did something I normally don't do, which is I split it. See how the difference is right there, 227 and a half to 225. That's a little bit unfamiliar territory for me. I typically don't skip a price. And this is basically what this is, which is making it harder for the price to move the way it's supposed to move in my favor. I believe so. And plus, I got it for too cheap. So this is one of the reasons why I really don't like to skip prices. It probably should be 227.5, and maybe even the next one was 225. I don't know. I could go look at the options chain, and that'll tell me. Let's just go see, as a matter of fact. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at Tesla. Oh, it is falling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See, it is falling. That's why. See, remember, we're betting that as a put, we're betting it won't fall. We're betting it won't fall to our number. But what's happening is right now in Tesla is it is falling. So when it starts falling, that means we start losing money. So, but anyway, let's go. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. So anyway, let's see the options chain on Tesla for December 8th. Selling puts. Remember it's 225. Here it is. Oh yeah, they're right next to each other. So it wasn't like I didn't skip one. It ain't like I went from here to here. You know what I mean? It ain't like I skipped one and went from here to here and skipped the middle one. I actually literally went from here. I literally went from there to there, from here to here. So 40. See, that's a big jump. That's amazing how. Look how big the difference is right now. 43 minus 26. It makes me want to take another trade. Like literally makes me want to take another trade right now, because look how big that difference is. Mine was only a $7. This one's got to be what's that? 11, 6, minus 1, 3, $16. So 16 times 4, you do the math on that. That would really, I don't know how mine's got beat up so much. But I tell you what I might do though. Since it's closing tomorrow, I might go a little bit lower in the money and take a 222, sell a 222 and buy. But that's only $4. Let me see that. I think I'm gonna do that. I might want to try to get some real money out of them. 230 is too close. I'm not even risking being in the 30s at all, especially not with it falling. So, I'll just see how the day turn out. Tesla could fall through the floor and I lose a lot of money. So, why take that chance? It's obviously on a downward trajectory in the last week. You can kind of see it's making lower lows. And then it took one high, but then turned right back around and did another set of lower lows. See how it's doing those steps? It go back, try to redeem itself, pull back, and then go back. Usually when it's doing this, it's gonna keep on going down. Let's just check the month. Well, and see, so the month says a whole entirely different thing. The month says it's trading in a range. So basically, if you really want to play this is really good. It's bad, it's good, and it's bad. It's good depending on how much the range is. Let's just say that's 246 to, so let's just call it a $10 or $15 range it's trading in. What's this? Probably 248. Yeah, so it's been trading for the last month, with exception of being way over here. But it could, that can let you know something. It's been trading in a range like that straight across, and this was where it was at before. You got to be really, really careful, because it could decide to take a breakout and fall. So I probably won't trade Tesla after today until I see it make a move either to going up or going down. I need to see it break this. It needs either break it going down or break it going up and give me answers to the direction it's going. This is very precarious as a trader, and especially as a person selling options or buying, for that matter. You've got to be careful when you see something like this, especially when you're talking about a volatile stock like Tesla, because any position you in here could really cost you. Because when you're trading the range and you see how big that difference is from the previous, you got to watch yourself. Because this thing can any time just break out and go down or break out and go up. And, one could make you money and one could make you lose a lot of money. So it just depends on your situation. Okay? So enough of Tesla. It ain't really moving, so we ain't really scared. Staying in the 40s, I'm with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even tripping. Let's pick up some more bags, man. What else we got? One thing we ain't scared to do is get no money. I ain't gonna worry about crypto right now. All I do is usually, oh, by the way, with crypto, you know what I've been doing is on the weekends, I'll buy like $2,000 or $3,000 worth when it's doing what it's doing right now, which is right now crypto. You can see it's really moving up. So what I'll do is I'll go in. You see this move right here? You know what's about to happen? Bitcoin finna go and try to break this high. That's a pullback. And the reason why I believe that, because let's go to the week. Yeah. So, that's normally what it does. You can see the same thing over and over and over again when it's doing moves like that. Pull back. Go across. Nothing really there. Here it is. There's the pullback. Then move up. Then here's a pullback. Then move back up thing. So really it's doing slight pullbacks. This one's a little bit heavier than the last one. But at the end of the day, it's just doing slight pullbacks and then jumping back up. Let's go to the month. Look at that. You can see the slight pullbacks, but I mean, that's the market. That's what it does. You can see the slight pullbacks and then it'll slowly move on up. So this is just a pullback moment, and look at that, $8,000 in the last month on Bitcoin. Man, somebody bought their kid a little high school first car or something. Anyway, so that's that. And what I've been doing is I go in on the weekends and I'll buy like $2, $3, $4,000 because let it pop over the weekend. And then I'll close out most of it and leave like $200 in equity in my account. And then I'll take off the top. Every time this hit 210, I take money. Again, man. The game 2024 is pick up a bag along the way, man. All y'all who waiting on the 10,000, 20,000, 100,000. Okay, that's all good. Well, while you doing that and when you get down that road 3 months from now, because you was trying to play around, because you ain't want to take nothing that was 10 and 20, 100. You didn't want to take none of those. You thought you was too good for those as a trader. Hey, you know what? While you're doing that, I'll pick up my bags along the way. And guess what? If the market do change, it won't really affect me as much because I picked up money all the way along the way. The people with short vision can't see anything but immediate gratification. And that's not for a trade. To me, those aren't real traders. Real traders know that you mitigate your risk. You take what the market give you. You get your money when it's available, and you don't play no games with this market because you know it can turn against you at any given time. It doesn't matter what side of the market you on. The market decides what way it want to go. Period. So you could be selling and you could be buying. Don't make no difference. Pick up a bag along the way. Because by the time the market decides, you'll have a basket full of money. So regardless of what direction it go, it really won't have the same effect on you as going to have on somebody who got all their money in one basket, waiting on that one, pot of gold at the end of the rainbow type of thing, man. So anyway, let's go close out some stuff. Where we at? Look, we got Neo. It says expired today. Remember, I travel, so I'm in another country. So for me, it's the 8th. As of this video, it's actually the 7th in the States and stuff. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this Neo. Oh, I'm not touching Neo. Oh, let me tell you why. The reason why I'm not touching Neo, you see I have a $7.50 call. Why do I have a $7.50 call? I'm going to tell you why. I'm actually not $10 up, and I'm going to explain to you why. Let's go down here. Look, see that? These are my stocks and ETFs. I got 100 shares of Neo. You see that? So how much did I buy Neo at? I bought it at $7.50. I've been selling Neo calls and puts for, I don't know, maybe a month or two. And last month I got put Neo at $7.50. Well, finally, a month later, Neo just turned around, and now Neo's went back up to past $7.50. So this would be my money, but it's not going to be my money because somebody bought the other side of the option contract, which means that's going to be their money. So I won't profit off of that. This is my profit right here, because I sold a call for $7.50. So a lot of people are like, why you sell it for $7.50? Number one, the reason why I sold it for $7.50 because I've already made probably $50-$60 off of selling calls and puts on this option. You see what I'm saying? So therefore, if I tried to sell a call at $8, then it'd be up high, and guess what? That means it'd be further away from this price, which means it'd be less money. But because I sold it right at close to the money, then it gave me a higher price because it's higher risk. And the risk paid off for the buyer of this option because now it's at 762 and he buying it at 750. And so all of that equity is going to be his profit. You see what I'm saying? But for me, it ain't going to make no difference because I picked up my bags along the way. And now I'm finna sell it for the same price that I got it for. Not including all of the options that I sold against it. Not even including including this one. I should say not including, but I should say including. But so example, average credit on this. Look how much I got. I got $32 right there just on this one trade. And I've been doing this once every week for the last month. So you can figure I done already made my money. I done already made probably $100 or so just off of flipping this. So right now, the total return is $11. Today's return is $13. This is going to expire tomorrow, 12/8. So, what am I worried about? Nothing. That person probably going to exercise their right to take this option from me. Do it. But don't make no difference to me. I mean, I wouldn't mind keeping Neo. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been investing in it. I wouldn't be putting myself in a position where I end up with 100. This isn't a spread. This was a direct sale against it. The reason why, because I didn't have to really do spreads on this because the price is only $750, right? Because remember, in options, it's 100 shares per contract. So $7.50 times 100 is $750. So what I did was I did a straight sale instead of doing a spread like you might see on some of my other ones, like this, like Nvidia, for example. That the kind of price on that. How much you think? That's $43,000. You see what I'm saying? To buy 100 shares of that, because that's $435 times 100. So put a zero on the end. So $43,500, right? Same thing with Tesla. Tesla $22,750. But see, I could afford to buy 100 shares of that. I could afford to buy 100 shares of that. I could afford to buy 100 shares of that. So therefore, with those trades, I put it all on the line because I knew I could afford them. You know what I'm saying? So the rest of them, you see spreads. You know what I'm saying? The rest of them, you see spreads. And that's just the way it goes. But it don't mean you still ain't getting no money, though. See that credit spread, credit spread, credit spread, credit spread. Why? Because the price is high, the price is high, the price is high, the price is high. You know? So this is why when you have a smaller account, you do spreads, because they help you to still be able to play in the game. And the thing about it is, the one thing you better pay attention to is, this is all cute when you know you can afford it. That's cool. But guess what? These ain't really worth nothing. When you try it, look at charge point, $2. Look at the option chain on it. It ain't really worth nothing. So if we go to the option chain on charge point, let's just say we want to sell a put on charge point. What are you going to sell it to? It's only $2 any damn way. And look at it. It's showing you we ain't got nothing for you. What you going? Okay, you're gonna get $6. Okay, so $6, and you're gonna have a stock that look like it's really in trouble. You know what I'm saying? So why would you want to take on that? Don't make the same mistake. You know what I'm saying? Because me, I think I started off with charge point a couple months ago at the $3 range, and it just kept dropping. So I just kept selling into it, selling into the fall, and ended up getting exercised, and I think I got exercised a couple times. I got exercised at the 3. I think I got exercised at the 250. Let me see. Where is this? Where is it at now? What did I buy this? What did I end up getting exercised at this one at? Does it show my price on here? Let's go to charge point right here. And yes. So yeah, I ended up getting charged. See, I got these for $3. See? And that's what I'm saying. So yeah, don't even mess around with low stuff. To me, my opinion, it's better to go ahead and stay doing the spreads with a higher priced underlying asset. You know, SPYQQQ, stick with them. And you know what I mean, it's entertaining and interesting when you mess around with different ones. The only reason why I'm messing around with different ones really is so I have less confusion. You know, so I have less confusion. So that's that. So I'm trying to figure out. I don't know nothing. I was ringing through my phones. Pending order option. What just happened here? What is this? Interesting. I've never seen this before. Look at this. What is this? Oh, wow. What is this? Is this something new? I pushed something. What did I just push? I don't know what I pushed. I want to see that it showed it in big letters like that. That's pretty cool. At any rate, so as you can see, today we're in the hundreds. Back up. This is my buying power. Not even half, but so about half. So I mean, you know, next thing to do is just like I said. Let's see. We got Nvidia. I might just go ahead. Nvidia up 15. I'm going to probably go ahead and let it go. I got it for 10. It's selling at about 5 or 6. Trade. Let's close it. Why mess around? You know? Why take a chance? We got 3 contracts available. There's the 3 contracts. I had got it for 10. In order for me to close it, I got to buy it back at 6. And the way they be acting is probably going to make me buy it back at 7. But let's try to get it at 6. Actually, what I suggest you do is try to come in lower first. If it don't work, then fine. Try at the bottom of it. Here's the limit price. The bottom of the limit price you have to buy it back for would be $5. You should be able to get out of it guaranteed at about $7. Okay? So since we buying it back, we sold it for $10, which means we got $10 for these options, right? So 10 times 3 is $30. Now we got to figure out what's the difference when we buy them back. If we buy them back at 5 times 3 is 15. That means a profit of $15. The estimated cost going to be 15. We had got it for 30. 10 times 3. So basically our profit and for 24 hours would be $15, right? Okay, well, I don't know how long I had in video. I think I might have had it for 2 days. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get up out of here. Let's try for the low ball it. And if we can't low ball it, then we'll try. I like to see something happen within 30 seconds. If I don't see nothing happen in 30 seconds, then I'll turn around and try to do it again. So, and sometimes it's worth, if you ain't in no rush and you really don't think it's going to be a good chance of anything going bad, then you can just put it in at the lowest price. Like right now, for me, the best thing really to do would just leave it at that 5 and let it cancel itself and just leave it at there. Good to cancel. It's going to cancel tomorrow in 24 hours anyway. You know, and then next tomorrow is Friday. It's done. The option is going to expire. Probability is if Nvidia doesn't move, if Nvidia doesn't move, then the probability is I'll end up getting it for cheap, for having to buy it back for less than that, which will make me have a higher profit. But I'm gonna close this out because I just want you guys to experience that. Look at that. It's actually lower now. Look at the high price. It's 5. I was at 5. They should be closing me out. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is what I'm saying. This is the type of stuff that I don't like. Because when I was doing it at 5, and right now the middle ground is 4. So when I was doing it at 5, that should have closed. High likely. Now it's high likely when really it should have been closed already. You see, and if it's high likely, I shouldn't be dealing with this. It should have already been filled. I shouldn't even be dealing with this at all. That's crazy. I'm just going to leave it. What's happening, look at that bid. It's got a $2 bid. It's got a 2 penny difference. A lot of these have at least 2 cent difference. This is 3 cents. This is 2 cents. I like to keep it at about 2 cents, 2-3 cents difference. You know, which essentially usually transcends to $2-3, but you know, Nvidia up $21. I'm just ready to go. There's no way. It should have already closed for sure. I'm trying to do this so I can let you guys go. I just want y'all to see me, you know, see me pick up another bag. Now we're 680, 60, 86. Just want y'all to see me pick up another bag, just so y'all know how we do it. But it act like it don't want, and I just hate to give away some free money, man. It's just ridiculous. Look how low it is, and I had put in an order for $5, and here it is at 3, and they don't want to close it. Man, this is bullshit, man. Straight up, this is what people don't want to talk about. This is bullshit. That should never be. I just had my order in. It's getting as low as 3, 4. It should have been closing. I'm going to put it lower and let's see what happens. Maybe some weird stuff. If it didn't close at 5, which that means they will make more money. It definitely ain't gonna close at 4. And really the low is 3. It's just fluctuating so hard. Watch this. Here we go. 5.6. I'm not giving them a whole bunch. I just want y'all to see. So take it at 6. Close. Yeah, so that means I only made $4 on that. 4 times 3 is 12. But it might be worth it just to go ahead and close it out and get going. So still up. You can see it. We're still up. Today's return 26. We got it we got current price. They say it's 5, but we can't never seem to close it at 5. We still got 2 out of them open. Now, since we supposed to be able to get it at 5, why we can't sell it at 5? That's the question. Which I know is bullshit. It's just stuff you gotta deal with out here when you're trading, though. You know what I mean? You just see what's happening. Just people are getting greedy. They're getting greedy, you know. And they charging fees now, regulatory fee. So, which used to be free, now it's a regulatory fee. Now, the limit price goes as low as 3, as high as 5, but I can't even sell, which means I'm supposed to be able to do a middle ground, which that's what this is for. I'm supposed to be able to sell it at that, but I can't sell it because they on bullshit. Let's go ahead. Let's try 5 one more time. If I don't do it, then I'm going to close both of them out at 6 and just take the extra $8 instead of $10, but it is what it is. Let's see. That's 5. See if anything happens. If I don't see nothing happen, I already know they on bullshit. So forget about it. Yeah, they just don't want to give it to me at 5. I'm not going to cry over spilled milk. I'm finna go 0.6. Whoops. I'm going to take both of them at 0.6. I mean, I could have waited to the end of the day, but why? You know. There we go. Both of them gone. So that's it, guys. The other day, November 7th, 2023. We picking up bags. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing around here. I'm going to put on some more trades. I'm probably going to turn around and all of those trades that I just did, I'm probably going to go ahead and place another one. Like you can see, I'm probably going to place another Tesla, another Amazon, another Nvidia for tomorrow, to close out tomorrow, you know, and let's see how much I can get in his SPY, and I probably might do a SPY. But wait a minute, let me see right before I let y'all go. Yeah, I still got an SPY open though, so I ain't gonna mess around. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna just handle the other ones. All right, guys. Well, hey, Mr. Cozmik, Cozmik Trading Academy, man. Thank y'all. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification if you guys want to like things like this. You know, trading, traveling, and training is what we doing here at the Cozmik Trading Academy. Listen, also, we got a candlestick book. Check it out. It's in the description below. If you guys need mentorship, let me know. Send me an email. Send me a message and stuff. Fly a kite. I don't know. Whatever you do. You know, touch bases with me and stuff, and we'll set you guys up. We got, you know, business course you can pick up and stuff. So yeah, we got everything you need. Check the description below. Hit some of those links and stuff like that. Some of them affiliate links, some of them ain't. I don't know. They, you know, everything that whatever it is that I have though, I use it or have used it already, and I stand by it. You know what I'm saying? As of that time, so it's all good, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. I'm out, man.